If things have felt confusing lately, you are not alone, my friend. If your mind has been going in circles, if you are searching for clarity and you're like, this honestly is super freaking annoying, this is the specific moment that you have been wishing and wanting. So I would definitely pay attention through this whole entire video about the Mercury Cazimi on May 14th. I mean, Mercury, it is the planet of thinking, communication, perception. And it's moving into Cazimi with the sun. And I'm going to get into this. But overall, like, this is where your confusion really turns into understanding. And I am so freaking excited about this transit. Like, you guys have no freaking idea how exciting this is. So before I get into it, hi, I'm Chloe. I love consciousness, energy, and history. So if any of that tickles your fancy, definitely hit subscribe and hit that notification button. I do a lot of energy transit videos, daily updates, as well as Schumann resonance videos. So if anything like that makes sense to you or doesn't make sense to you and you want to learn about it, I would definitely hit that follow button. Anywho, we're going to talk about the Mercury Cazimi today on 5/14. And again, honestly, it's going from confusing times into total clarity. And I feel like this has kind of been a motion or in motion for the last couple of weeks. There has been a lot more clarity recently. Honestly, it kind of started like early March, I'm going to say. Early March is really when it started like ramping up and like a lot of things were coming to light. And I feel like this is just the icing on the cake, bringing us into the craziest few months of the entire year. And I will get into that in another video. If it is posted, I will post it up here. But honestly, it's probably not going to get posted until later. I don't think I'm going to get it done before this happens. Anyway, I'm going to talk about the energy overall, understanding the energy of this specific movement, what it's going to feel like for humans, the shadow side, the higher expression, the psychological effects, if there is any, basically how to use this transit for good. So if you want to know any of that, definitely stick around. Or if you want to learn specifically on one aspect of this video, just check out the chapters down below in the description box. Okay. Let's understand this energy a little bit more. So as I said, Mercury, a lot of communication, a lot of perception. Mercury overall as a planet, it governs thoughts. It governs information and processing that information. Now, the sun, if you don't know, it governs everything that I do on this channel. Honestly, it's light, right? So the sun, it governs awareness. It governs truth. It governs identity and illumination, bringing things to light, right? A Cazimi itself is at the heart of the sun. So if a planet moves into a Cazimi, or it's like Mercury Cazimi, Venus Cazimi, it is literally in the middle of the sun. Okay. Mercury is sitting at the heart of the sun on the 14th of May. And this is going to create a moment where thoughts are going to become clearer. Truth is going to become more visible. There's going to be a lot more understanding that becomes accessible and really easy to understand. Like, there's just going to be so much ease within our brain, which I feel like we need. We need this so much. It's like, but this is not new information. And that's something to really make clear here. This is not information. This is seeing clearly of what was already there. Like, you already had the answer, but it's going to become more clearer as we move through this movement of Mercury Cazimi. Like, it's going to shift your knowledge around within your brain, if that makes sense. I hope that makes sense. If it makes sense, give me a thumbs up. What is this going to feel like for a human? Okay. There's a few certain things that I want to go over, but the main thing is obviously sudden clarity. You're going to get clarity. Things are going to click after a period of like stagnation, confusion. So get ready for that. Things are going to become more clear. Whether that's good or bad, it doesn't matter. You're on that journey anyway. Okay. So everything's going to be becoming more clear. The second thing, there might be a lot of aha moments. There's going to be a lot of mental breakthroughs that is really going to help you understand things that you know, but on a deeper level. I feel like it's not just going to be a thought anymore. There's going to be like more emotion behind things and like a lot of reasons why. Okay. It's going to be like a deeper understanding of a thought, if that makes sense. The third thing is there's going to be easier communication. So if you are having a rough time telling somebody something, this is the perfect time to do so. So this is going to be, probably the energy is going to start around the 11th, okay? And it's really going to move into This is the 14th, so 15th or 16th. All right. So this week is perfect for telling somebody something that you needed to find the right words for, and it's going to come out more naturally, and it's not going to cause like a huge eruption. There's really going to be just ease within communication. So great time to do that. There's going to be a lot more insight coming out for certain situations, and you're going to be seeing people, you're going to be seeing patterns, you're going to be seeing decisions more clearly, which is cool, which is great. Helps us really set us up for moving into the summer, who we want to hang out with, who we don't want to hang out with, that kind of thing. Also, I feel like because of all of this clarity behind certain things, you'll be able to really pick out and pick and choose what you really want to prioritize within the next few months, which is great because we're going to get some kind of like sense of direction. Okay. And this is going to bring in like less mental fog and really more focus on what you want to put energy towards, where you want to put any of your time and your resources towards. Like literally overall, like this is your mind coming back online. So if you felt in the last couple of months that you really weren't yourself and you weren't really making sense to yourself, this could be the game changer. This could be the breakthrough. So the shadow side of this movement of Mercury Cazimi, these are usually the parts of the 3D human, the unconscious human, and what to watch out for. Okay. The first thing to really understand is that there may be some overconfidence within the 3D collective. Okay. Like assuming that their view is the truth and that's it, like my way or the highway. There might be that kind of attitude coming into play. There might be a lot of like sharing some insights, but they aren't truly grounded. Speaking too fast, speaking too quickly before it actually like settles. Might be a few times when, and if you're in like your 3D mode, like if you are in fight or flight or survival mode, you might be holding on to conclusions like too tightly. All right. So be more open, but be more honest with yourself. And you or an unconscious being, I'm not saying you specifically, this is for everyone, right? There may be some times within this window of thinking and ignoring emotional context. So there's going to be logic, but without emotional awareness, as I was just talking about before. Okay. Like there's going to be a deeper understanding if you allow yourself to move with this energy, right? But if you are sticking to what we've been used to over the past couple of months, like just the logic and not the emotional, deeper part of understanding, then it could cause some rifts. So overall, the importance of this is understanding that clarity is very powerful, but you still need to use discernment. Okay. You still need to use discernment. Is this actually like a thought that is coming intuitively, or is it just mental chatter? Do you know what I mean? I hope that makes sense. But as for the higher expression, okay, the main point of this energy, it is going to activate aligned thinking. Okay. If your nervous system is regulated and you are grounded, there's going to be aligned thinking. There's going to be so many mental thoughts coming to your brain, so many downloads, okay, that you're going to have clear decision making. It's going to be completely open and honest. And with that comes honest communication as well. You will be able to see truth without any distortion. And you're going to be able, with all of this in mind, you're going to be able to really express yourself authentically as well, like more than you have been doing, which is absolutely stunning and beautiful. And I love this for us, honestly. So this is where your mind really becomes a tool for alignment, for your purpose. And instead of confusion, we're really stepping into and embodying the person that we were meant to be all along. We have been, but we're really taking the mask off. And yeah, taking the mask off is scary, but like, let yourself be seen. Let yourself be seen. That's all I can say about this. Like, allow it. Just allow it to happen. As for psychological and like energetic things that may be happening within that spout of time, so I'm thinking the 11th through the 16th, okay? Psychologically, sorry, I'm getting uncomfortable or getting more comfortable. I don't know why I said uncomfortable, whatever. Psychologically, I feel like this is going to remove a lot of mental noise, a lot of mental clutter. I mean, If you watched my 2026 energy update and like all of the updates for 2026, if you didn't, here's the video. But like the biggest thing that I stated was get rid of the noise. And I feel like our discernment has really been trained over the last few months, starting like late February up until now. Like our discernment has been tested and proven, and we know our truth now. Like we know where we stand, okay, as humans. And I feel like the Mercury Cazimi is really going to reduce all of the extra noise that we haven't gotten rid of yet, which is very exciting. So you're going to feel a lot more focused. You're going to feel a lot less wound up, like less overwhelmed and more decisive. And honestly, if I can decide dinner a little bit more faster for my partner, that would be epic. That would be fantastic, just as a joke. But it's really going to make a huge difference. And if you acknowledge this and claim this energy, it's going to be a game change. Okay. Now, energetically, this is really activating the mental field of dimensions of consciousness. Now, I have gone over the dimensions of consciousness before in a video. Is it the best video ever? No, it was like one of my first videos. Okay. But I am going to tag it up here for those who do want to watch it and laugh. But it does have a lot of good information about the dimensions of consciousness. And the mental plane is really going to be activated because of this Mercury Cazimi. And the mental plane is like source knowledge, okay? Just as like a short little tidbit. But you're going to understand as we go through this energy, there's going to be faster processing. And I honestly cannot wait for that, because there's going to be faster processing because there is going to be heightened awareness. There's going to be like a bigger picture scenario within your brain, and you can really dissect things and analyze things differently. And there's really going to be increased insight because of that, which is really, really fun. So overall, we had an energetic reset like 3 weeks ago on a weekend. Then we had a mental reset. And this is like the point of the mental reset. Like we've been going through it and really combing through, right? Like last week on the Schumann, we've had like that overlapping healing from outside of the cosmos, from Earth. And there was just like so much processing. And now we're getting to that point where the mental clarity is just going to like reset. And that point is now. That point is this Mercury Cazimi. So I'm sure you want to know, okay, Chloe, how do I use this energy for good? I got you. Now, to work with this energy, it's a lot about your, not the actual relationship part of relationships, but having conversations, okay? Being more open with others. So you're going to be making decisions that you have been avoiding. So, you know, clarity is here. You're going to have to make the decisions that you really didn't want to make. And I think you didn't want to make these decisions because you had so much noise. There was so much fog over the decision. But now that that clarity is really stepping in, it's like an easy decision now for some freaking reason. Well, not for some freaking reason, but because the energy is finally there for you to make the decision. But you're going to make decisions that you've been avoiding, okay? You're also, or you should be using this energy to have important conversations. That has to go with hand in hand with making decisions. But having conversations during this time is actually going to allow you to express yourself more clearly, which is half the battle when you're having a tough conversation, okay? So having those tough conversations during this time is really going to be beneficial. Another great thing to do during this energy is to write stuff down, so to journal, because there's going to be so much mental clarity that you might have insights that matter right now because of the clarity, so write them down so you don't forget. That's really, really freaking important, because I feel like, specifically in the last couple of weeks, I feel like my mental game has been like completely weird. Like I feel like I'm forgetting a lot of things, and that's because like there's timelines collapsing and like, you know, all of that jazz. But I'm forgetting things. So make sure you write them down. Okay. Another thing that you can use this energy for is retraining your brain. So I really want you to reframe your thinking. And there's little things that you can do, but the biggest thing is like, where is the truth here? Like ask yourself that question with everything. Like, what's the truth here? And you don't have to ask it, don't ask it out loud, but like really use that question in order to discern what the heck is going on. Okay. And the last thing is aligning your thought with action. This is the perfect time, because of all of the clarity that is coming in, to use your clarity and your clear thinking and putting it with action. It's the perfect time. Okay. I want you to implement some of the stuff that you're writing down. Those insights, act on them. It's time to do that. Bring them to light. Mercury is in the middle of the sun. It's going to be lit up. This is the time to bring your thoughts to life. Bring your ideas to light. Get it? Now, overall, this is the time and the moment of realization. You're bringing things to light. You're bringing things to real life. And it's not because of stuff that's changed externally. A lot of you have changed internally the last couple of months. Your perception has shifted internally. And when perception changes, everything else is going to follow and fall into place. If you truly embody the decisions that you make during this time, this window, okay? You're gaining clarity. Use it. Use it for good. Use your clear thoughts and your clear mental status for good. Use it for good. See it. Allow yourself to see it. And ask yourself, what truth am I finally ready to accept? What truth am I finally ready to accept? Because when you ask yourself that question, your next step becomes so clear. But please let me know if you have any questions down below. Make sure you hit a thumbs up if this resonated with you. Share it with your friends. Let them know of this beautiful segue of knowledge coming to us. But Mercury Cazimi is going to be huge. So I am sending you so much love, so much light. Stay stellar, my friends.